Good morning, dear students. I welcome you back to your science class. I hope you are done with all the work given in the previous classes. And you are learning also, like good children, you are completing all your work. Yes or no? And you are learning a lot. And also not troubling your parents and helping them in their household work. So, till now we studied about different types of plants. Then we studied the uses of plant. Now we will study the uses of animals. Now animals are, you all know, as you can see in the picture, the dogs, the cats, the rabbits, the cow, and they are all near us. But the animals are also called domestic animals or pet animals. Domestic animals, like those who are useful to us, they are around us. Pet animal, those who are inside our house. Like you may be having a pet of dog or a cat, or you can have a pet like parrot. Some people keep cow also, but it is now rare. Generally cows are in the farms. Now let's read about the chapter. Like plants, some animals are also very useful to us. We depend on animals for many things. Domestic animals, some animals live in and around our houses. Cat, dogs, cows, buffaloes, rabbits are some of them. Some animals are reared in farms. That means these animals, or some of them, are reared in farm. Like we have our home. Similarly, some animals, their home is what? Farm. Like you have farms for the plants. Similarly, there are farms for the animals also. These animals are called farm animals. For example, cow, buffalo, goats, sheep, and hen. So you must be knowing that if someone wants egg, you get an egg from the market. But from where that egg comes? It comes from the hen. And for that, hens are not, it is not that hen can lay egg anywhere. No, they are kept inside in a farm. Then their egg is collected. And when their egg is collected, then they are sold in the market. Next, we keep some animals in our home, such as cats, dogs, rabbits, and parrots. Parrot, you all know, many of you must be having a parrot at home. They are like our friends. Now, our pet animals are our best friend. These animals are called pet animals. Farm animals or pet animals are called domestic animals. Now, farm animals and these pet animals are called domestic. Why they are domestic? Because they can live between the human. Can a tiger live between human? No. We keep it in the zoo, but it cannot live between. So, it is not a pet animal. You will not find it in any house. But dogs, cat, you can find in any houses. Now, there are some pictures down here in which the pet animals need to be circle and the farm animals need to be put a square. So animals like parrot, rabbit, dog, cat and fish. Most of you must be having fish at home. You circle them. And cow, buffalo, hen, horse, goat, sheep, camel, duck, honeybee, you put them square. Yes, honeybee is also a farm animal. It is also tamed. For honey, they are tamed. But they are in the farms, not in our houses. A group of cat is called clouder. A male cat is called a tom. A female cat is called a molly or queen. While a young cat is called a kitten. Yes, you have a small kitten, so it is called a kitten. Now, food we get from animals. We get many things from animals, so we get food also from animals. Like sheep, picture of some animals are given below. They give us milk. Now, you can write the name of these. I say the name. Number 1 is sheep, goat, cow, camel, buffalo. These animals are the animals that give us milk. Now, the animals that give us egg that we use for, some of you eat, and that people use for different things. Picture of some animals are given below. They give us egg. The name of these are duck, hen and pigeon. Then animals that give us different things like meat to eat. Some of you must be eating non-veg. So those non-veg meat and everything which get from the animals. So you must be knowing you eat fish. Some of you must be eating fish or not. Some people eat it. Some people eat pig. Some eat sheep. Some eat cock, hen. So these are the people. We get milk from sheep, goat, cow, camel and buffalo. We get egg from duck, hen, pigeon. Then people, they eat meat also. They eat non-veg. So from where they get? They get it from fish, cock, sheep and pigeon. Now, other things we get from animals. Now you remember in the previous chapter we studied about the food grains and everything we get from the plants. Then we get lot more things from the plant. Similarly, we get milk, egg and many things from the animals. Now what more things we get? Animal give us many other useful things. Yes, animal give us lot of useful things. Look at the picture and write their names. They give us fur. Fur means, you remember you wear a very warm, woolen, silky type of clothes. Yes, so those furry clothes that you wear in the winter, we get from some animals. The wool, the sweater that mama make, you get from the market. That wool is we get from the animals. So what is that? From wool or fur, we get from the yak, we get it from the sheep. Yes or no? We get it from the rabbit. So we get it yak. We get from the rabbit, we get wool from the sheep. So we get different. They, in mountains, people wear these wools. Why? Because it is very cold and there are some kind of sheep or some kind of animals that have lot of wool. So, and yaks and also they get that wool from those animals. Animal that we keep for our entertainment. Now there are some animals that we keep for our entertainment. Entertainment means and security. So, we will read about cats and dogs that help us for our entertainment and security in the next class. Today we have read that there are domestic animals that are kept as pet and that are kept in the farm. These are called domestic animals. Then animals that give us milk like sheep, goat, cow, camel, buffalo. Then animals give us egg, duck, hen, pigeon, and then animals give us meat also like fish and cock and all. So now you go through this chapter. You also get fur from rabbit, yak and sheep. They give us wool or fur. You read this chapter, you read page 24, 25 and 26, and you will also read 27. In the next class, we will study about the animals that are our friends, that are keeping us surrounding and also that give us security. Then we will doing the exercises. Till then, go through the other video and I hope you will read and be very clear. And if the picture is not clear, need not to worry. I am sending you the PDF along. So, need not to write or be worried ki Mama, I cannot write, I cannot see. No, the video is for explanation. There is some technical issue that whenever we upload it, the pixel have a problem. So, you can go through the PDF, you can open the PDF and then you can listen to my explanation. While explanation, you can easily listen to the explanation. I am reading one by one word and explaining you. So, there is no issue in that. I hope you enjoyed the class and see you in the next class. Take care children. Bye.